If your USPS tracking shows delivered but you don't see your package, here's what you can do. First, check the tracking status carefully. Sometimes it says delivered when it's still on the way. If you use informed delivery, log in to see a digital preview of your mail. Keep in mind that delays happen, so don't panic right away. If a week has passed since you asked for help online and your package still hasn't shown up, it's time to submit a missing mail search request. To do that, you'll need some details ready. This includes the sender and recipient addresses, the type of envelope or box you used, and your tracking number or receipt. A description of the contents is also helpful, and adding photos makes it easier for USPS to identify your package. Once you send in the request, USPS will confirm by email and update you during the search. If they find your package, they'll forward it to the address you gave them. If they can't, it may mean the item wasn't safe to send forward or couldn't be recovered. If you paid for a service with a money-back guarantee, like Priority Mail Express, you can request a refund. And if you bought insurance, you can file a claim. For missing or damaged contents, file as soon as possible, but no later than 60 days after mailing. That's the process. Start with tracking, move to a missing mail search if needed, and then look into refunds or claims depending on your situation.